Hey folks, this is the second display. Bonfire night, there's a bonfire and some fireworks down here. As promised is the display, jumping spider here, obviously. That's the tombstone. Gordo. Purple pumpkins on step pad again. He's there. Clown as well. Crawling zombie. That's lady, but I'll show her again in a minute. Bit slow, but she gets faster again. Right, I need to show her. So you got him. I got a couple extra props as well. He's got a motion sensor, which I'm honestly surprised at. So does him. There it goes again. There she goes again. There it goes. She's still working fine. I know Matthew Ball. Yeah, mine's working fine. I heard his is working fine as well, but Haunted Skull's second face came off. That's kind of funny.